In the tiny world of the small intestine, millions of microvilli form a brushed velvet surface that expands the absorptive area. Each villus hosts blood vessels, aiding nutrient pickup, while enzymes on the microvilli finish the job of digestion right at the door. This microscopic architecture reduces distance between food and blood, turning a meal into energy in mere moments. Scientists reveal how disruptions can lead to malabsorption, linking diet, microbes, and immune responses in a stunning feedback loop. The story of microvilli shows that size never limits impact, proving everyday biology can power extraordinary health.